Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about more advanced proof. It's going to be more complicated than the one we did before. So first one here, okay, we have to label the triangle. We have to label the picture first. Here it says isosceles trapezoid ABCD. Isosceles. Here's the word isosceles means the two sides are equal. Trapezoid A B, C, D. So two sides are equal, and we can see these two sides are equal. Has base DC and AB, with non-parallel legs AD and BC. We know that trapezoid have two sides that are parallel. So these two sides, the top and the base are parallel, and the two legs are not parallel, and they are isosceles, which they are equal to each other. And segments AE, BE, CE, and DE are joined in the trapezoid ABCD. Angle CDE, so now we're going to label it angle CDE. This angle here is congruent with angle DCE. Okay, so these two angles are congruent. And AE is perpendicular to DE. So perpendicular makes what degree angle? Right, 90-degree angle. AE is perpendicular with DE, so 90-degree angle. Last one here says BE is perpendicular with CE, so makes a 90-degree angle. What they ask you to prove, triangle ADE. ADE here, ADE, and triangle BCE are congruent. Okay. Now we have to prove the two yellow triangles are congruent. We begin with the giving always. We have isosceles trapezoid ABCD, and that is giving is on top. Next, isosceles means the two sides are equal, so AD congruent with CB. That is because the word isosceles, so isosceles trapezoid have two equal sides. And next, a lot of giving information, angle CDE congruent with angle DCE. Since these two angles are congruent, so triangle DEC is an isosceles triangle. Number 3 is the giving information, as we say is here. Okay, sorry, this one should be a triangle. Okay, log A. Triangle DEC is an isosceles triangle. And why? We said it when two base angles are congruent. So angle CDE is congruent with angle DEC. So these two angles are congruent. That is an isosceles triangle. Because two base angles are congruent, then that would be an isosceles triangle. And since triangle DEC is an isosceles triangle, so we have two sides are equal, DE and EC. These two sides are equal because isosceles triangle have two base angle and two equal sides or two congruent sides. Okay, now we have side and we have the side. And we need one more information. Last giving information, AE perpendicular to DE and BE perpendicular to CE. That is giving. Since those two lines are perpendicular, and we said perpendicular lines create 90 degree. You can say this angle 1 and angle 2, or you can say what I'm doing here. Angle DEA is congruent with angle CEB is equal to 90 degree. That is because the word perpendicular here, the symbol perpendicular lines create 90-degree angle or create right angle. So we have the angle here. So we have angle, side, side. Based on the previous videos, we say that angle side side or side side angle are log triangle congruency criterion. So we cannot use angle side side. So looking at this one, we have a right angle here. AD and CB is the longest side across the right angle. That is the hypotenuse. DE and EA is the leg. So we say that DE is congruent with EC. That is the leg. So we are going to use hypotenuse leg to prove the two yellow triangles are congruent. Make sure you are corresponding with each of the angle. The order matters. We set up HL, log angle side side. Next and the last, we have to prove that triangle AEB is an isosceles triangle, which is the pink triangle that I just made. Triangle AEB. So based on what we have done before, okay, we prove the two yellow triangles are congruent already. AE is congruent with BE. These two sides are congruent because CPCTC, we prove the two yellow triangles are congruent by HL. So we just say that AE is congruent with EB because CPCTC. So we finish, okay, with the triangle AEB is an isosceles triangle. Just write that down because isosceles triangle have two equal sides. So here the reason will be if a triangle have two sides that are equal, and that would be an isosceles triangle. Okay, we finished the proof. That's it. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.